Now, one human being now many people, really shows love me, and many people actually loves my smile. Indian sort of concept, secular, without religion, but keep honest, karuna and ahimsa. So, dear my friend, on my birthday, this is my gift. So please keep in your mind. I myself committed these non-violence and compassion till my death. So that's my offer to my friend. So I hope our friends also keep these non-violence and compassion. Should keep your rest of life. Thank you.